Part 1: Framework and Basics. Let me start with a short description of the development environment in which I am working. The Varying Vagrants, or VVV for short, is a free solution for developing WordPress sites. It comes with the Mailhog, with which I will be testing email notifications. Within my local installation of VVV, I will try out the Mailhog functionality by creating a new subscriber, as I will use this account later for testing my forms. I will set the username as user, and the email address as user@wplogin.nun. This email is based on my local domain within the VVV framework. I will set a simple password, confirm its use, and leave the Send User notification box as checked. If I click on Add New User, WordPress should dispatch 2 emails, so let's look at the Mailhog now. And indeed, I now have 2 emails in their corresponding mailboxes. The administrator received a notification about the new user registration. And the user received a URL link to the default password reset page. Back in our WordPress panel, with all plugins installed and activated, let me outline the roadmap for our project. First, we will build 3 forms, using WS Form Pro and the User Management add-on. These 3 forms will replace the WordPress default forms for the user login, the password reset request and the password reset form. Then, we will generate a simple site header, using the Elementor theme builder, with the site's title as our logo, and 2 buttons for login and logout. We will use the Elementor Pro pop-up builder to create 3 modal pop-ups, which will contain our 3 forms. Now that we know where we are going, let's set the basics. First, we will create a landing page, where users will be directed when clicking on the password reset link. This page will have no content and serve as a trigger for our future reset pop-up. It will also form a part of the reset URL, which will deliver the user login credentials to be handled by the reset form. You can name this page however you wish. For this tutorial, I will name it XYZ, and set its template as Elementor Canvas. Let's publish our page. Now let's import the required code snippets using the Code Snippets plugin. Select Import from the Snippets menu, then upload and import our JSON file named wp-nun login required snippets. Once imported, click on All Snippets to see all installed snippets. Our 4 newly added snippets will be numbered, and have wp-nun in their titles. As our last preset, we will adjust the settings of visibility logic for Elementor. Since we will be activating our snippets one by one during our project, let's open the visibility logic settings in a new browser tab by hovering over WordPress settings, right-clicking on visibility logic, and selecting Open Link in New tab. In the settings panel of visibility logic, we will switch off all elements except for the user role, then save the changes. All basic settings are now set, so let's dive in.